First, we need to prep our staircase. So we need to remove all the carpet, underlay, gripper rods, vinyl, whatever you've got on your stairs. We need to go back to the bare wood or MDF. So easiest way of doing that, obviously remove everything we just said, but be careful that when you remove the gripper rods, sometimes the nails or the pins are still stay in there. The easiest way of doing that is with a scraper. So basically run a scraper around. Also, while it does that, it will get up any loose paint, and you'll find, if you find a nail or a pin, just get a pair of pliers or a hammer and claw it out. So I'll just run this around the tread. Don't forget, you've got to do it on your risers also. Don't forget to, underneath your nosing, under here, gripper rods also get nailed in, so run your scraper along that. And then once you've done that, and you don't have to get all your paint off, but you've got majority of your paint off, or the loose paint, you need to scratch it. You're not sanding it down to get another paint on, you just stand it down just to put scratches in it so your adhesive will stick to it. Easy, just got to do that for all your treads and risers, and it's ready for the next stage.